Step number 1, we will show you money. Step number 2, we will solve the main problem that stops you from making money in this method. So look at similarweb.com. We are checking the analytics and revenue of a website. arstechnica.com. They earn around $25 to $50 million per month. So money is here. And they get 14 million monthly visitors. That's a challenge, but that's not the biggest challenge. I will come to the biggest challenge before starting step number 2. Before that, let's go to where they're getting all this traffic from. They're getting traffic from search engines and social media mainly. Among social media websites, Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube are the top traffic suppliers. Now, when they publish awesome content on their website, people love to share those content on social media. And that sends a signal to Google that this website is a good website. Google should rank this website contents on top of searches, and this is how they get search engine traffic. We will go back to more, but before that, we need to address the biggest problem. Now we have seen where the money is. The money is in the website and its content. Alright, this is how the website looks like. It has simple content, simpler than ever before. It's a regular WordPress website, but I'm going to solve this problem. I told you, don't jump when I say WordPress. Click and open a content. You see a headline or a title, a sub-headline or a subtitle, image, text content, opt-in forms. That's it and nothing else. All these are other contents. And they make money from advertisements, running advertisements on their website. Is that it? Yes, that is it. Now your problem. When I say website, the first thing comes to your mind is a domain, hosting server, website design, and content. These are the 4 problems. Domain problem, one time. Hosting problem, you have to pay monthly subscription fees. Website design is also one-time problem. You solve it once and it's solved. But content, it has to be regular and you need a lot of content. Our software, Maven, solves that problem completely. We only copy a URL and the AI of the software writes the content for us. And then we tweak the content as required or as desired or as per our taste. We add image, we add videos if we want, or any other content, any other elements we want, but it takes total 2 to 3 minutes to publish a high quality, share-worthy content that people love to share on social media, and we start getting traffic. Those traffic leads to sales, affiliate sales, and we make $5 per visitor. So if we get 1,000 visitors, we make $5,000. If we get 10,000 visitors, we make $50,000. You can get it too. Link to Maven is in the description. Go get it anytime you want. Now move to the next step. Which content do you want to publish in your website? Because we know content publishing is not a problem at all. We have Maven. But we want to know what we want to publish, what people are looking for. So for that, we go to Ubersuggest and we go to the traffic section. From there, we click traffic overview and we put the website URL that we want to analyze or we want to spy on. Let's take arstechnica.com in this case. They have 5 million organic keywords that send traffic to them. All these keywords are hot. Now, if you don't have Ubersuggest paid version, don't worry. I will download this analysis data. You can get them as CSV file from the link in the description. You will see which pages are getting traffic, which contents are getting traffic, which keywords are getting traffic, and what is the search volume of these keywords. Based on this data, you can create your page or your pages in a couple of minutes each. Once you practice, it will take less than 1 minute to create a page. Now in step number 3, let's make a money-making page on Maven. Let me show you how we built this awesome, beautiful, professionally built blog post in just 3 minutes using Maven. Step number 1, click this Add Blog button. we love this article, we want to hijack it. For that, copy the URL and paste the URL right here. Click the create button, and yes, Maven is snatching all the content. You see now all the content is here. We want to add a blog title. Blog title added. Now we want to add a blog image. We have multiple options to add blog image. Let's upload from our hard drive. Done. We want to add an affiliate link, so select this text, click on this add link button, and let's say this is our affiliate link. Just paste it here. Make sure it opens in new window. You can open in the same window if you want. Just click save and done. And let's do a little text formatting. Select this text and make it bold. We want to put it on the center. When we are happy, click the save button. Now we got all the content, but this content is not ours. We don't have rights to publish it. So we need to rewrite it using AI. So just click this yellow button and the AI will rewrite the whole content. Now it's 100% unique and it's our content in just one click. Click save and done. If you want to add more elements, just click this blue button, and let's say we want to add this video in our blog post. Copy and paste the video URL. Click the add button and the video is added in the blog post. Now we want to add another image. Click the image section, click Pixabay, put the keyword here and click the search button. The software will search for relevant images. Let's select this image and the image is added in one click. Now let's another image using Google CC. Search with your keyword, click search and select this image from the search results, and the image is added in just one click. People are more visual, so I want to add more images. Let's upload from the library. Click upload button and upload from our hard drive. Click this blue upload button and the image is uploaded. Just select here and the image is added in one click. Let's do some tiny tweaks here and there as required, as per your taste. If you are done, click the save button and the whole thing is saved. Now this section is completely optional. This is mainly for search engine optimization purpose. So fill in these sections and click publish now or click publish later to schedule the publishing. Click the view button to view your awesome blog post. Is ready under 3 minutes. Look at this. Beautifully built, professionally crafted blog post. Ready to rock and roll. Step number 4. We need initial traffic. So let me show you an example. Let's say our target keyword is SpaceX news. 40,000 people are searching for this keyword every month. So of course, first of all, we will make a page on Maven and then we go to Quora.com. Why Quora? Because in Quora, people ask questions and others have the rights to answer to those questions. So search with the main keyword and try to look at what people are asking and which posts are getting a lot of traction. Look at this question. This question has got 22,000 views, a lot of traffic and a lot of answers as well. Once you answer this question, other people will see your answer. And in a lot of cases I have seen in the past, the post, the original question goes viral due to an awesome answer. So reply to the question with the link to your blog post. Visitors will love your answer and they will visit your links for more. Now, another way to get traffic is using your website link in the bio of Quora. Now, this person hasn't used his website link in the bio. Maybe he doesn't have a website or maybe he has, but you should use. This way also you will get a lot of traffic. When people see you are providing awesome answers, they want to know more about you. Just look at these numbers. 11.5 million content views and 670,000 views this month alone. How much traffic you can get from Quora alone. Now your website problem is solved, your content problem, domain problem, hosting server problems are solved. And your traffic problem is also solved in Quora. But once people find your content super awesome, they will share your contents on social media channels and you will get more and more and more traffic. This will send a signal to Google that this website is good, and they will rank your pages on top and you will get more and more traffic. Another way to get traffic is replying to questions or comment on posts on Facebook. So search with your desired keyword, look for what people are talking about, and engage in the discussions. Helpful comments, of course, but on Facebook, you can't directly link your website on the comments. A lot of people consider this as spamming. So first you should share your content on your timeline and reply in the comments from the sections of your website content, but don't share direct links. Visitors will see your helpful gesture. They will look at your timeline and they will visit your website. This way you will get long-term traffic. From Facebook, 100% free. Twitter also works the same. Reddit also works the same. So when your website and content problem is solved and you know where you are making money from, I will assume you're making money from advertisements, AdSense, and affiliate marketing, then this initial traffic will generate your sales. More and more traffic, more and more shares will generate more and more sales. Complete autopilot. This is the best way to make autopilot income. That is it. Go look for what people are looking for, create awesome websites, contents using Maven, help people with the answers they're looking for on Quora, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Reddit, and make money. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family, as this way, not only you will learn how to make money online, but also your friends and your social media contacts will learn how to make money online. And everybody is getting access to Maven for free. Link will be in the description. And also you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.